I am trying to express that everything you know in science is from the foundational knowledge of yes or no. And I ask you a question, will you eat yam? Your answer is either you tell me yes or you tell me what? No. Now, I will now interpret my graph and say, let yes equals to 1 and also equals to what? Plus. And let's no equals to 0 or equals to what? Minus. Which means anywhere the computer sees 1, anywhere the computer sees yes, is either it interprets it or 1 or as what? Plus. Is either it interprets it or 0 or what? Minus. So plus or minus polarity. Yes or no, affirmative. In English language, in communication, binary becomes affirmative. What is affirmative? So in communication, in Igbo language, which means this yes is equals to no, is that not? So I need our own program, they can be Igbo. Our program will say, now, going further, let's come back to where we started. This is the Afa. The computer internet you know today that Philip Emeagwali gave us, which saved Steve Jobs from bankruptcy. I repeat, if not for Philip Emeagwali, Steve Jobs that has iPhone today will be bankrupt because he has already lost his company. You saw it in the video I posted today. Steve Jobs that started iPhone already lost out in the company until an Igbo man whose name is Philip Emeagwali from Onitsha came to his rescue with what? This. The knowledge of this. I'm trying to explain this to you in the way you understand. Now, when Afa shows up, it is yes. It is closed. If it closes, it becomes what? No. Now, but under this or the Afa language is 16 in number. The Afa language is 16 in number. Check my teaching. I've listed the 16 different Afa language, which means each of these phase has its own name, depending on how it turns with respect to the other. I don't know if you are getting my point, Chibike. Depending on how it faces, if it faces up with this one, whether this one faces up or face down, whether it faces, depending on how it faces, it shows different name. Now, this is 4 bits with another 4 bits. 4 plus 4, 8 bits. Now, this is another 4 bit plus another 4 bits. 8 plus 8, 16 bits. Now, this 16, each of the 16 has individual names. And there is something we call in mathematics permutation and the combination.